Smartphone cameras have become the main gadget we use to take photos of everything that's happening to us and around us. And syempre, gusto natin yung mga pictures na makukuha natin ay maganda para ma-preserve ng maayos yung memories natin. But despite the advances in mobile photography, the very best devices to capture your precious memories still belongs to the high-end range. But not everyone can afford to get such phones. Enter Realme 9 Pro Plus. Sabi ni Realme, it can offer flagship-grade photos despite its mid-range price tag. Yung pinakamura nito is the Free Fire Limited Edition at 20,990, while yung top variant niya is 23,990 pesos. So, bakit sinabi ni Realme na pang flagship level yung camera niya? It is equipped with optical image stabilization and a 2021 flagship-grade image sensor designed to let you take great photos and videos most of the time. We tested it, and let's see if it is worth the hype. Hey guys, Peter here, and welcome back to the GIZGUIDEPH channel. Out of the box, the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 920 5G SoC that boasts flagship-grade noise reduction techniques and hardware-accelerated 4K HDR videos. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 OIS sensor equipped with ProLight image technology and AI noise reduction engine 3.0 to capture more light, ensure steady shots, and allow clearer, better images overall. It also has an 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, while for selfies, there's a 16MP front camera. Meanwhile, the camera app supports all of the expected features from a Realme device. Additional features include Street Mode, which allows for easy focal length switching, dual view video, Starry Mode, and 50MP among many others. AI scene enhancement is also present to boost the colors or saturation of photos depending on the scene. So, how does this translate to real-world performance? Watch this. For us, you will surely enjoy the camera quality of the Realme 9 Pro Plus if you like taking photos with a lot of contrast and color. Using its main 50-megapixel shooter that takes 12.5 pixel bin photos by default, daylight photos come out pretty impressive and details and dynamic range are great as well. Then, you also have an option to use the full 50-megapixel mode when needed. Also, thanks to its main camera, the digital zoom is acceptable and makes up for the absence of a telephoto camera. Pwede mo siyang i-zoom from 2 times to 5 times at capable din siya i-zoom hanggang 20 times. Like the high-end iPhone 13 Pro, this device can take HEIF 10-bit images as well. Since it can record up to a billion colors, gradients appear smoother and raw photographs provide photographers with more editing options. For ultra-wide shots naman, the detail is average, has a good dynamic range, and maganda rin yung contrast niya. When it comes to macro, photos are okay, may details but colors are a bit washed out, so don't expect too much here. Also, make sure na pag gagamitin mo siya, nasa lugar ka na merong magandang lighting. When it comes to portrait mode, it is one of the features we enjoyed the most. Yung subject is well exposed and has good details. It also offers precise subject to background separation and lets you change the aperture digitally to your taste. For selfies, it is okay, but we struggle to snap sharp selfies unless we held our hands perfectly still. Skin tones aren't the most convincing, but I think it is still decent for social media postings. For low light, dito panalo si Realme 9 Pro Plus talaga. While it tends to overbrighten its nighttime shots, may konting noise around the photos, the level of detail and clarity remains impressive. Even with the night mode turned off, you can still get great shots on this phone. Additionally, there are entertaining features that you can use for more creative shooting. Kasama dito yung in-camera filters that they call Street Mode, and sa totoo lang, we didn't expect this to perform as well as it did. Pero tingnan ninyo naman yung mga nakuha naming sample photos. We also had fun playing around with the long exposure mode, and in fairness, napakaganda ng kinalabasan. Medyo nahirapan lang kami kumuha ng sample shots, but hey, we did it for you guys. Of course, we also got to try the Starry mode, which gives us an awesome result, but you need to keep the phone really steady for 4 minutes to achieve a stunning shot. Oo, tama yung narinig ninyo, 4 minutes, so kailangan ninyo gumamit ng tripod or place the phone on a stable surface. For videos, it can capture up to 4K at 30 FPS and the quality looks sharp with accurate colors and the noise is handled well. If you want to enhance it more, then you can turn on the AI which is limited to 1080p at 30 FPS. Electronic stabilization is always on and available across all cameras and resolutions. OIS is naturally available on the primary camera too. The 4K footage and low light is also excellent, the sharpness and details are good, and the noise level is acceptable. So yeah, there you have it. Realme went to great lengths to ensure a flagship-grade camera experience for its price, using a combination of hardware and software techniques to produce the best shots possible. Of course, may mga items that can still be improved, but for its price, sulit na sulit ang magiging camera experience mo dito. What do you guys think of the Realme 9 Pro Plus cameras? Share ninyo naman sa comments. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH.com and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always and goodbye!